Hello my YouTube family, I hope you all are doing well. So this is my first video on this YouTube channel. Please do subscribe, like, comments. अगर आपको मेरी आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो मुझे ज़रूर बताएं और कमेंट में ये भी बताएं कि नेक्स्ट रिव्यू में कौन से प्रोडक्ट पे दूँ. So welcome to my channel, my beautiful people. So this is me, Aisha. Please don't forget to like, comments and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you are the first person to know when the next video is out. And for those of you who are turning subscribe, welcome back to my channel. I will giving you a review of my experience of Shein. शीन के जो मैंने बैग है ये मेरे पास, और शीन के जो शूज़ है वो मेरे फियांसे ने मुझे गिफ्ट दिया था. तो मैंने यूट्यूब पे फर्स्ट वीडियो डाली कि क्यों ना आप लोग के साथ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूं कि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा शीन के साथ. इट वाज रियली गुड. सो दिस इज़ द पर्स बैग. इट वाज सो गुड. लेदर वाज सो गुड. आप देख सकते हैं कितना प्यारा इसका शेल बना है. पर्स है ट्रिपल लगी है. वाज सो रियली नाइस.
Are you finding a time? There's no compromising. Make up your mind. We're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind. Lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well you feel like rain in the morning.
And the next one is shoes, butterfly shoes. It was really amazing. It's the shiny shoes. Heel was so good. The size of my shoes is 11. This is 11 size of shoes and a 41 size. I really like it. It was so comfortable heel, and their butterfly was look so amazing. ये बॉक्स में थी इस वजह से वो बटरफ्लाई वो जो बिल्कुल खड़ी नहीं हो रही है, वो बिल्कुल ही इसके साथ चिपकी हुई है. तो आपको इस तरह बटरफ्लाई को कुछ लगाना होगा ताकि वो बटरफ्लाई जब भी आप पहने इसके साथ आप कैपरी के साथ आप ये शूज़ पहने. इस वजह लुक सो अमेजिंग.
Poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well you feel like rain in the morning. Giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. No compromising. Make up your mind. We're running out of time.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comments and to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you are the first person to know when the next video is out. And until next time, goodbye. Bye bye.
Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say